So this actually brings me right to, you know, those like old-timey towns, and you go into like their candy emporium. That's what it makes me think of, like an old-time candy store where it's got like that sweetness and a little orange kind of note and a little bit of that black licorice. It really gives me vibes of like the gumdrops that my grandma used to have at her house. So it's a very like comforting and sort of cozy cocktail. So let's go shopping. So first for our Rye Street cocktail, we're gonna use a rye, and we're using Etesia. This is made by Ciccio. It is an absolutely lovely rye whiskey at an awesome price point. So two things about that. One, I love the taste. I love what it brings to cocktails. Two, I love the price point and that you feel like you can really use it in cocktails without breaking the bank. It has a nice rye spice. This one has a lot of really nice, rich caramelized notes to it as well. I think it is an exceptional component for our Rye Street. So next, we're gonna use sweet vermouth, which should be a staple in your bar. And for this cocktail, I've chosen Dolin, which is a classic. This is gonna have some nice herbal notes. I get a little bit of like an oregano. It's a great price point. So it's one that's really accessible to use in cocktails, but really lovely. And that's what we're using in today's cocktail. Next, we have Herbsaint, and this is going to be sort of the spirit of New Orleans. It has that sort of black licorice flavor. We're just using a tiny bit, but what's great about this is because it packs such a punch flavor-wise, you really only need a small amount in most cocktails, and it is going to deliver a depth and complexity and also go a really long way. So that is also an essential piece of this cocktail today. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to make our Rye Street cocktail. 2 ounces rye, 1 ounce sweet vermouth, 1/4 ounce of our chai spice, just a dash of Herbsaint. I don't know if this spoon is actually the most practical way to do it. I don't think I even want all that. Don't look. Stir. Rocks glass and strain. We're gonna garnish with an orange peel. Just make it nice and curly. And that is how you make our Rye Street.